This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Drain the coolant from the radiator until the coolant level is below the thermostat housing on the engine. Slide back the clamp and disconnect the upper radiator hose from the thermostat housing. Remove the 3 thermostat housing cover bolts and the cover, then remove the thermostat. Remove all traces of old gasket material from the mating surfaces. Make sure no gasket material falls into the coolant passage. Be careful not to gouge or damage the gasket surfaces because a leak could develop after assembly. Install the thermostat into the housing cover. The spring end must be facing into the engine when installed and not toward the radiator hose. Note that the thermostat is not round and will fit into the housing only in one position. For reference, the jiggle valve, or small pin on the thermostat, must be at the top of the housing. Install the thermostat housing cover and the 3 mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the upper radiator hose to the thermostat housing cover. Secure the hose with the clamp. Refill the cooling system.